Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today I'm going to present about CATS, the classroom assessment techniques, enhancing learning outcomes through innovative classroom assessment techniques. In the realm of modern education, the effectiveness of teaching and learning methodologies heavily relies on accurate and timely assessment of students' progress. For the concept of these CATS, it is an interactive e-learning tool to help students gain better understanding in the subject learned. For the app's concept, it is an application integrating AI tools, a data dictionary and a mind map generator, and the benefit for user is it is designed for the use of the students and can be used in various types of devices including smartphones. This concept of classroom assessment techniques can be seen as a dynamic and innovative approach to evaluate student learning in real time, fostering a more engaging and productive educational environment. CATS encompass a diverse range of formative assessment methods that enable instructors to gauge student comprehension, identify misconceptions, and tailor instructional approaches accordingly. These techniques encourage active participation, critical thinking, and self-regulation among students as they become integral partners in their own learning journeys. CATS are unobstructive, non-threatening, and provide immediate feedback to both students and instructors. There are four objectives of CATS. The first one is assessing students' understanding, feedback for instructors, enhancing students' engagement, providing formative assessment. There are four objectives of CATS. The first novelty is active learning, which is CATS emphasize active participation by students. Second one is formative assessment, which is it is conducted throughout the learning process. The third one is student-centered. It emphasizes students' role in assessments. Lastly, for the usability, impact, and practicability, the first one is cost-effective, optimize time, and user-friendly.